Hello CIS scholars. So scholars, we have completed last chapter of our subject SS, that is chapter 14, movements of the earth, and I hope that you all have read this chapter, right? Now this is a time to discuss the textbook exercise. So let's start the exercise. So in this chapter, what we have done, we have studied about the rotation of the earth, effect of rotation, revolution of the earth and effect of revolution, right? Now let's see the textbook exercise. First we have fill in the blanks. So the first one is the imaginary line around which the earth rotates is called. Yes, it is axis. So on the imaginary line around which the earth rotates is known as axis. Now second is the earth takes dash hours to complete one rotation. I hope that all of you know this, that earth takes 24 hours, okay, to complete one rotation. Now the movement of the earth around the sun is called, yes, you are correct, it's revolution, okay, and the movement of the earth on its own axis is known as, yes, that is rotation. Fine. Next, an extra day is added to the month of dash every after every dash year. So when the extra day would be added, that is the month of February, right? So the answer is February, and it would be after every 4 years. Okay. Now season are caused, how seasons occur? Seasons are occurs, or it is caused due to the revolution. Fine. So what are the answers? First is axis, second is 24 hour, third is revolution, fourth is February and 4 years, and fifth is revolution of the earth. Okay, now let's see the second B part. Give the one word answer. So you have to give one word answer. The movement of the earth around its own axis, everybody knows this answer. Yes, this is rotation. Next, the angle at which the earth's axis is tilted. So you know that the earth is not straight, it is tilted towards one angle, okay, and how much angle? That is 23.5 degree. Fine. Now next, the path along which the earth revolves around the sun, that is what? That is known as orbit. Now the year which has 366 days, that is the year leap year. Next, the time of the year when the sun is overhead the equator and the earth has equal day and equal night, that is what? Equinox. Fine. So one first is rotation, second is 23 and a half, then third is orbit, fourth is leap year, and last is equinox. Now let's see the short answers questions. Now what are the short answer question? First is what is, there are 5 questions which are given. I have solved 2 for you. Let's see the third one. What is solstice? What is solstice? Solstice is the time of the year when the sun is overhead and the two tropics, right? It occurs when the sun reaches its highest or lowest point in the sky at midday. This results in the longest or shortest days on earth. Okay. Now, second question is, where does the sunshine directly on 22nd December? What is that day called? So the answer is the rays of the sunshine directly on the Tropic of Capricorn on 22nd December. And this day is known as what? It is known as winter solstice. Okay. Now let's see the long answer question. In the long answer question, there are 3 questions. I have solved one for you. So let's see the tricky one. The third question is, what do you think will happen if the earth stopped rotating? Think of some possible changes that might occur in our day-to-day life. So what is the answer? So what happened if the earth stopped rotating? Yes, if the earth stop rotating, then we would not experience day and night. Okay, then what happened? The half of the earth would always receive sunlight and the other half would always remain in dark. Okay, now the absence of the earth's rotation would affect our day to day activities. What type of activities would be affected? First is we would not be able to attend school like we usually do. Okay, so that is the main problem. Second is we would also not be able to sleep properly. Why? Because sun would always be shining at all the time. Second is in few of the places or in the other places where there is no sunlight, it will be difficult for people to live in the dark. So these are some of the problem which we may face. Okay, so I think through that you will get the answer, long answer question. Now what you have to do, you have to start writing all these short answer and long answer questions in your notebook. Okay, and complete fill in the blanks and one word answer in your textbook only. By the time, stay safe, stay healthy, and enjoy the video. Thank you.